Tjena! Today we are going to learn the difference between three important Swedish words: för mycket, mycket, and många. These words can be confusing, but don't worry, I'll make it simple. Let's start with mycket. This word means a lot or very and is used with things that you cannot count. What does this mean? You cannot count something. Well, if you are good at English, then you will know that there are countable and uncountable nouns. Countable and uncountable things. Countable nouns are things you can count one by one. These nouns can have both singular and plural forms. Can be counted using numbers 1, 2, 3. Often use många in Swedish. Examples are 1 apple, 2 apples, 1 chair, 5 chairs. Now, it's easy if your English is good because the logic is same. The Swedish examples are: Jag har många böcker. I have many books. Det finns många stolar här. There are many chairs here. And what are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are things you cannot count individually. These nouns do not have plural form. Cannot use numbers like 1, 2, 3 naturally. Often use mycket, a lot of, or för mycket in Swedish. Examples of uncountable nouns. Water. You don't say 1 water, 2 waters. Instead you say a glass of water, for example. Sugar. You don't count sugar. You don't count sugar grains either. Time. You cannot count time. You say a lot of time. Money. You cannot count money. Well, you can count $1, $2, but you don't say 1 money, 2 money. You say a lot of money. Swedish examples are: I drink a lot of water. Jag dricker mycket vatten. Han har för mycket pengar. He has too much money. And the difference between the two, you have to simply learn which one is which. Like water or substances, liquids, are often uncountable. Sometimes other things are uncountable, like money, same like in English. So this one is easy for English speakers. So let's get back to our discussion about mycket. This word means a lot or very, like we said before, I believe. That means things like water, sugar, or happiness. You use this for uncountable things. Jag har mycket energi. I have a lot of energy. You cannot count energy. You cannot say 1 energy, 2 energy. You have to say a lot of energy. Det är mycket varmt idag. It is very warm today. Hon dricker mycket kaffe. She drinks a lot of coffee. So use mycket when talking about something you cannot count, like coffee, air, or time. Next, we have många. This word means many and is used with things you can count, like books, people, or apples. Uncountable are, for example, liquids. But if you have separate little things, or separate big things, normally they are countable. Interesting example in English is fish. This one, you can have 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, but you say a lot of fish. English is strange sometimes. Swedish too. Use många with countable things. So, jag har många böcker. I have many books. Det finns många stolar i rummet. There are many chairs in the room. Hon har många vänner. She has many friends. So, many can be used for people and things as well. It's easy, right? Use många for things that you can count one by one. Now, the difference between these and för mycket. What is the difference? This means too much and is used when something is more than is needed or wanted. Just like mycket, it is used with uncountable things. Examples. Du dricker för mycket kaffe. You drink too much coffee. This means that you drink more than is good for your health. Det är för mycket socker i kakan. There is too much sugar in the cake. This can mean it's too much for your health, it is bad for your health, or it means it does not suit your taste. It does not taste good. Jag har för mycket arbete idag. I have too much work today. This means that it can mean different things. If you say, I have much work today, this can mean that you're just busy. But if you say, jag har för mycket arbete idag, this means that I have not enough time for all this work. There will be leftover time. And maybe, if I am not lucky, I have to do overtime and stay at work. Now remember, för mycket is when something is too much and not good. And the reason why it is not good can be many. So, let's look at these again. Mycket, a lot with uncountable things. Många, many with countable things. Or för mycket, too much with uncountable things. Jag dricker för mycket kaffe. If you say, jag har för många äpplen, this would mean that you have too many apples. I cannot eat these. They will go bad. And I have to throw them away. It's not good. So, with this said, I hope that you see the difference now. Try making your own sentences in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Hejdå.